Assalamualaikum warahmatullah. I am Ibrahim Kamara. I work with Big Power Logistics as the warehouse in charge. I am a representative from the Sahel community living in Qatar. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum all. My name is Rakan Jame. I am working in the hotel department. I have been working here for 7 years now. I'm working with retired hotels and hospitality. One of the Islamic hotels so far in the world. Thank you. I am the second vice president of the association.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Pasoko. I'm a UAE seeker. I've been here for the past 4 years. I was working in the Qatar on the military project, but now in fact, before I was working also as a referee, but now I concentrated on referee, football referee here in Qatar.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Tom Lamin Sani, I'm from Kolosana. I've been working in Qatar here for 4 years now as a custom clearing agent for Ali bin Ali Logistics Company.
Mau penuh urusan dengan sama, berapa pun yang mana. Dengan kalau yang lagi soal, berapa 4 years back, I was working with one transit organization, which is well known in Uganda. It's called Munazama Dawah Islamiyah. So I'm the one in charge of sending the containers to the Gambia and West Africa. Thank you. So that position of the one I have the vice PR.
For me, I'm the sport minister.
Okay, Allah barakatuh. The mafuru na mafuna. Alko nyini ya polisi jeje. Membe jana wala no ambassador Omar Jibril Sala. Atele mo Gambia ambassador to membe siri Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. Membe wala wala mo Mr. Joku Sairba. Atele permanent secretary Minister of Foreign Affairs. The Kunde member Lorin the Tomu Babu Kapjabatelti, Director General of Protocol of the Minister of Foreign Affairs. Sila Sila Kunna Katarala, Wakamala, Alemeji Silinte, Jamaya Long Lawyer Usimu Dagola, but be at Alay Palazzo Menkarfama, Minister of Foreign Affairs, International Cooperation and Gambians abroad. And then we'll call up at the patriotic B, majority should in the National Assembly, make the United Democratic Party, at the president of the United Democratic Party. I was CEO the Foreign Affairs CEO to President Barrow Toya, Assalamu alaikum wa so sibla cool kono na yindundi cool kono le because Gambia dimla course asula takere na program jamal le sodo no cancel because Gambia dimla nyanto wala tinan natada so salu wanya because of another program ko na jati wol fondani le ka na be manya ya fa en kay ko lu ndaw ta fabu abe ba jati le ko dani lo kene ko dani lo na na so na wala na tijanbi so sa fahamu bari na ko ne ko fitilo ko ka sa sa ko ba ya na sa du ko ne 6 o'clock so ne na ko 6 dana jan na ta 6 so sa du lo mo na sa lo nya fa ka sa ya
yang beda ke bulan kiba sido kami jadi nol dulu kau jeno boleh jadi tu kau jeno orang be kedang ni semua dalam awal awal kali kapan jadi jangan pun yo kau nanya kemudian na presiden lah asyik welcome semua pernah ditanya dengan kelihatan welcome saja.
Excellency, Honorable Minister of Foreign Affairs of the Republic of the Gambia, you are warmly welcome with your delegation in Qatar. I'm feeling very happy, simply because you are with a very high delegation and you are among the delegation. The reason is not necessary for us to explain. It is known by everyone. You have been a father. You have been a person who looks very far. It is not now, many years ago. That brings us an excellent government that me and my team, we really support, and we support the government that we brought. We know very well how it was difficult for us to arrive in this kind of meeting. We never believed that we will sit one day and have a meeting of this kind. The Gambia, the new Gambia. We welcome you and also His Excellency Ambassador. I will inform you directly that he is in Saudi Arabia, but he knows what is going on here. And all our problems, since his embassy was closed, he takes care of most of our complaints. For this reason, we thank him very much in front of Your Excellency. Qatar is a very small but very important country in this world, especially in the Arab world. I have been here for about 20 years. I know a lot about this country. And I came here purposely to open the first Gambia embassy in Qatar. After 5 years, it was closed by the then government. Your Excellency, that time, I was given that letter to take to the Foreign Affairs, to the protocol section, who told me, we are not going to accept this kind of letter because Gambia is our friends. Gambia is part and parcel of Qatar. The chief of protocol told me, I am not going to accept this letter. Call your ambassador. I want to talk to him. But the then government still insisted that, yes, we're going to close. It closed. Again, after many years, they came back and opened another one. This embassy again was closed. In a time whereby we need them very much. Excellency, we have many Gambians in Qatar. It is because of the short time we inform them. That's why you see this number. But there are hundreds of Gambians in this country. But today, we feeling very, very proud to have you and your team in front of us. We welcome you and the people with you to this Gambian family gathering. It is a family that at this moment we have a father who really fit the positions that he holds. We have a father that is very highly educated, that makes us proud of you. We have a father that is ready to develop our homeland, the Gambia. Because we know how busy you are. I have a lot to talk. We have in our mind ideas to develop with you our beloved country, Gambia. Your Excellency, you are welcome to Qatar. I don't want to take much of your time, and I will give the mic to the Secretary General of Gambian Qatar. Thank you very much.
Mr. Chairman, Molo Sutiara Barak, Mubedi and Kujamale Fudi, Maya Longa Kita, Longa Pulet, many are Longa, and the Cassi, Pamana, and the Capitana, and I use Panaman. Woka Gambian called Tonal and Siatajan, or Pomi Sido Ketayana, Janni Bakram, the Kalu Kitajan, after a full day. Fanam from Jandim, full facilitated on a Kajako, Yandala Kanyo, Fanana Pen. Fanana did it. Okay, Jandu more baby than the Goku Walla. Dinkirani, Jampata Nona, the transportation of Jahaning Gambia Farga. Wakang to be more precise because you told them that I'm working with PRO, I am his vice. Last time, Canberra registration on a Gambian course of the men and better for 250 Gambians. Men are going to be Jan. For 250 Gambian men are going to Banco Kanjan, Metalarin Talata, Yamate. Don't be Jan, will be look well, will see Banco Kanja, will see. Will be Jaw Mutali Gold Lenti, will Manta Sia in back. Okay, don't be a man of Calio Kunda for Avatar and Fred. Don't be will be primary, will be middle school like a time. Malongo, Catanco Lerkinada. Don't be university like Kekan. Do Fanafon Mealongo from our Cotajan Yaman, PhD candidate or the Mealongo sign, a Karen Banco Kenya. No, but Hala, Maconian Dilan, Secretary General, Menkera, Mr. Alo Manyan. Fanase diam, artinya diam double into association in Benjani, and in Fana, embassy of Sotonia, been to Nafala Mena, and Nafala Bestia Banco Kenyadi. Ramason.
Abrakwadi Musa, Diamoniata, the control sent la Panake, education of Mialonco, Minister, Pedro Hussein Damo, Membolika, and Anano, Mr. Joe Baji. Mr. Ba, and His Excellency Mr. Sada, Badi Contona, Allah Tarbu Nimaja, and the Badi Contona, Melano, Wole Fan Benfeda, and executive member, Melano Wole Gambian Association in Qatar. In Gambian Association, one other abbreviation is South African God, allotted in 2013. Munana Kamputi, when Kalam Tarako, Gambian Bessia, and Badi, Internet person in 2010. Moment we are connected, Gambian with the young contact more from Sina. But Najoko Gambian this year can even though my embassy at Glasgow, but Najoko need another force than me. I look at the Gambian that have been saying that you come. Socially, it's a good matter. I came on Kumian Kutmando ambassadors, embassy support no Ayata Ayake. What they do, I saw Lota Lapomita now, Gambian Association in Qatar. comme ça mbadi mo yaita dinyami momen bigi asiyasa nyaje bi mo diata comme ça ko Kenya we were waiting for security confirmation and mang specific time for the madi galga and black jam fatima sabu ko moment nano wala mo miano ko tikita ko to minu wala na ni be wonta jam comme ça ngai tan dala ni gamben association tonya abelo kam to mo menna hamen ku jamane babu bari ngalon ko na hamen ku da kelo na foni ngam fan register with the government of the Qatar pour kaje ko ni mo official organization on ti miano ko gambe non mel be jam ak wolel taka abe e kafu kanyo bari nata ko le aku do so pour ko ni taka ka register ko le ado men follow menti wala hindi ko gambe on banko banko ti miano ko ni banko dol kanya ta jam bari nenna no bagi ben be atale banko wala I mean gambe no mel be jam to compare to other nationalities but they are battle. But unfortunately, among enough or sufficient support from the embassy, members are register with the Qatari government. But despite that, I feel like formal recognition from the government is an old by Potembu, Gakulomentan Castle, when I contribution monthly. And kumsang ngalo nyame ngadoku si pala jamale so dikan dolbe jo mul label wala merka tan bekala la ni ku kusam gadol so do mela ko be nyi sabono ro white collar jo bole be bul mela ko dolbe hotel industry dolbe je mela ko wolbe kumsang si tamni be nyame dolbe manager position na so do bulol ken keto nyame kanyo charge wala nyam but at the end of the day na fen so non na budget ko non mela ko kalo gambe noli galo gambe noli nyaati wala nyiti ko ni moye problem so do mela ko beyond or haskop at a penno lagi na koloni tangadi ala asikeno julotile asikeno mako yote na ku flan jam mi dona ko ninga nyem festivities so membe ko bana salo sunkar salo na ko dota ngala kaf nyoka bari jamudla ti meya ko social life to a great extent so kamune ke ngamuno ta nyoka funa nyoma pour homesickness mi ala ko kafi nintu mo ko bana salo no sunkar salo be kekan no nyinta nga minimize to a great extent bari ni nyabe gameno na bebe sidi nyoka alkafi le ko albi black killing so nyasa ngok faranta nga kino pour ko ta ka ati but unfortunately tum war sotano ke depending ka kino bari nga blaso na kata dal wala ambassador la resident bar biri falen diro ke da ambassador la bo men ke be o man nyaaw o nyaayro no moli so gameno na raskata mbukanyo ko ko kalam ta babe fo sa me alo ko kana ka nyoma ka football ke pour ka nyo kalam ta ko gameno be janga ma ko do mi ala ko ka ke mo le wala nyinti ko bare janna system be jani sponsorship le be ja wala nyinti ko nin compagnie ta samana regardless of ila job ila salary ni na te bino ino compagnie le bina so most of Gambians here in Canada in my experience I mean the labor market na system ko ta nyaadi so wo kamala nata ikommale nata muneke wona mol mel yalla ko kataro situation sifa kono nga ko dota kata kagila pour que la situation ni da kata ka annually to a great extent iba feel na ko ni la salary ni ala ka mesi ko do tanga penta ngadi ni la pa ko nga lonta ngadi la pour que mako ani mol mel fal yalla ko ila employer wala sabu la sponsor ye batani in terms of ila to do ko falinna imam pare kay la do ko falin wala la living condition amante fenti me ala ko nyabo warta is a step in is a thinking no me ala ko ndamal sa ndam wol mun to la sembo ya la yarati nga step in nga diamu ila sponsor le wala la employee ando ala na ta ki dol ko na sembo damal kan nyawnya nga modol la sponsorship min dal ni falino from one employer to another employer so nyimi kada fendi me ko ka fobe lorin wala kam andum ni nata jibe fana ko comme ça na sido lo fana dal ni so da ko comme ça badima ya itandi nyame wolbe karam lebu jamalo to dolbe je medala ko they are on the sponsorship of Qatar Ministry of Awqaf and the Islamic Studies wolbe model medala ko directly ke gonna Gambia ni na ja ke karam ke junior school ba wala senior school ya mul so ko yo dol so me ko university ye modol so medala ko wolbe postgraduate level bari nyimbe cho woni kadam mo le me ko la concern bula den ka fola ko ko nyaagi benin ko mota ba ko kante tonya amba embassy a specific role so to me alon nyanta even though ala role fana be jawna gamel na ila welfare pour ka nyanto to fanana bari tul ngaje ko do so do plo me alon ko so effort nyanta sa compliments no pour mbe ngal na fon ko nyita nga combine together gamel no kata ka mako woto la fa mi tan dalla de wala nyiti kon beata de nyaaw nya compare to other nationalities mpana mba try kan ne pour nga value and believe me along to what internalize through our socialization from Bangkoka still number maintain kanjane mbo manifest nyaadi wala ko menga na nyola mbo bambat na nyaadi wala ko kafo nyinta ngalo nganya to ko kala me alon ko wala krambe la kunton koti regardless nga embassy soldier wala ma soldier nyimbe kala fenet na ko tol believe tan nyanta tenten dale pour ka banko fanel se pour ken bari nim banko jingo be batabe pata ko ning aya feel aɓe ɗo aɗa ɗo kuñato wala ala karambuŋo to wala ala kukoɗo to naati ha fil dono ala soto ɓuɗo to monda aɓe talala ande nala soto ɓuɗo talala ɗo aka melma ka remittance men ta ka ki suwo kono tuma ɗo fana ɓe toranal so at the end of the day ka jala ko fana ɓe contribute kan bankola nation developmental andum comme ça nde case fala projet mi ala ka kumma bata tan mbaɗi maɗo ɓe je ka fay ko salif jamme ala salif jamme kidney problem ala two kidney ɓe feltan tumomi ala ko embassy ɓe jam ning embassy coordinator to some extent pour kala ko nyinta ka address through this charitable organization medala ko sama kono but unfortunately bili embassy soronta marre ko so do mialo ka be makola pour ka ko nyinta ka follow up anda be nyame bingol men be jante non so do bloda da nyawnya nana case tata wos tan dole ka du nyoka nga ko do ta nyawlu pour kala fongo inta ka clean every day because abe nyame ya me yitandi molla nasi less than one month as a family so to come and get from wala ngiti ko do fay nyoka ndro pour kala anda hande bi men kono athlete issue is one of the most important issue to us pour kata ka address because ninga blaje wati and yemen fu mo ko na bra jata la ko tan membe ko gambia to mando medical facility to men sa take care to mando we kala sa to dawol so ñu mu fenete me ala ko ko tan gambe ni on be la gajo ko mo kilinte moti ko sa kel ba ko ka ko mo fulo mo leti ala bambu mo leti na diate moti ya duwa na ku yate moti ya duwa so nani ka ko do lo wala kamba ya de ni ka pare ka ko gambia non me ko bejantin ase kole ya nyawnya ase ke nyawnya ko dem benna ko ka to ke kan pour ngam fantanga bi ko ñina fenti me yaron ko yedal indi walla and ñina fenti me ko wolta nga karam be diamo ko fala men na wayinti ko mbal konton na ko ke alla na ko nyima ala yetan nyam ali time alla time mo be batal bar nim moye gambia la ko so ta sonno mo ko ñine ka jaraay nim moye gambia lo nda ko to ñine ka jaraay son tol man surprise pour aller na jam anata nga fonko do kala hakko do fe ngalla karola bari ngalo ne ko atelier o sondo mo so aliyo ki si so so le mi alo ko albe space so lage pour aller yam fanto le bari nya fa nyami dindi won ke baba ke baba kadi no bado ko renke balde control na hodore bu senda ko be control na ila lo ko nyi mara banko kan alama alale men nyaato kila ko to ala barka ba
abaraka ba ka Mr. Manja ya kata kur kata laga kumo beti ada seni ada fana ki tanjiro kere jene kaje ko tonya peddi candidate ma wato mansi lata kuma jama bi mi alon ko be nyanta ka fale ko wato mansi o yati no ko da fana man hani fana pour ka da wati jamata ko kono fana mo do fi jami alon ko lafta ka do man di nyamba se je wala nyinti ko kabiri fana be political embassy kono dum gabe ndi Gambia association fana mansi ida Gambia ko kan men alon ko indi diaspora pour kela nyafa bali ay tan par exemple photo la step wala me alon ka be itaka wala ko kita temu jumal ko men na da ko ja ka son tala ka man so o fran man nan de no wala nan na kuma ko ciile ka futa Gambia ko duma kay tan ka yikon dul fanade ni na mun na ni ku yaada waye dimbe men ni kan wala sorta ko bi afalenti da ko be jaare han bi ndiyamata ko rene fana ay kitam modi men alon be tolel ya ko nyinta ya ni mo dawoto mbe kuma kan wadi la Malik Njai men kitam fo jaati di jang kuma faali nyame atele njiya jam bi mo kende bring kafo nyin na lo wado afana ma barama dole di ko do ma be ma barama di na hani bi me kuma kan wadi la afana sahaba ko sono nyuma.
Thank you. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi. English or Wolof? Let me go with the English. So everybody understand. We take the opportunity to really welcome you here in Qatar, and it's really amazing from the bottom of my heart and from the bottom of our heart that we're really delighted that you were able to make it here this evening and to be able to have time to hear us out. From what Ali has just mentioned, if you listen to him closely, you will realize that he's taking it from his heart. And yesterday marks my 5th year here in Qatar, and time goes by so fast. So within this period, we have several Gambians come in, and it has become a trend. So Gambians always test the waters. When a fellow Gambian is somewhere, and then the rest will follow. So as a small nation, if you go somewhere and you don't find a Gambian there, that's not a place to stay. So Gambians have, as a small country, we're everywhere. I'm gonna make use of the opportunity and of the time to jump in right into the issues. I would like to go deep into the pleasantry because just standing in front of you reminds me of my father, which I left back home, and Uncle O.J. Salah, a very close friend of my dad, since in Libya and in many other places, and it really touches my heart. But as Gambians here in a foreign country, we have the peace of mind that Qatar is a very peaceful country, and we're able to make a living. One of our first top priorities when we get our earnings is to remit money home. This is one of the things is on everybody's list here. Before you go and buy your grocery shopping or buy anything, you go to the Western Union or to the MoneyGram and send money home. So certain times you need the documents. Certain times you have an ID that expires or you have a passport that expires. You need it to be renewed. And this is a country where security is top-notch. They don't joke with security. You cannot walk around without the identification. And we have lots of needs that we have to reach out to the embassy. And we would like to request, we would like you to hear us, to hear our concerns and the necessity of having back the embassy here, where we could go for many reasons, not only for documents, but we go there for many reasons, unexpected and unplanned. We reach out there. Now, what we have in mind is an overhaul or sort of like a reconstruction in a way by we would have a strong relationship with the embassy if it's reinstated, with the staff that is expected of an embassy, like in other countries, how they have a relationship with the embassy. This is what we would like to see. There's another aspect I also want to touch on. When I arrived here in Qatar the first year, we had a good number of young guys who were here on scholarships and they were in school. Then all of a sudden, this died out. We would like to, since you're on the leadership role and you have connection with the Qatar government, to try to see if we can have this trend back where we have the students that would have opportunities of education so that they can come back. Yeah. And Gambians like to learn. And it's in us that, once you're growing up, education is one way. We don't have too many options. So education is one way where you can get success. Regardless of your background, regardless of status or whatever, but with education, you can reach out to, the sky's the limit. So these are the things. The other point I want to also just highlight to you is that we had planned to write a letter and visit. Actually, as a matter of fact, I already went to the Senegalese embassy here, so we can go and meet the ambassador with a letter thanking His Excellency Macky Sall for the job he had done from December, just to show appreciation. And this will be done on behalf of the Gambian people, on behalf of the Gambian Association in Qatar. And we just need to write the letter, and then they will give us an appointment, and we'll hand over the letter written from the Gambian Association to Pakistan for the job that he has done. And any other points I need to touch on? High school students, yeah.
A program to continue their education to go to
universities. Yeah, this is also one aspect. My speech is I'm gonna share it with everyone, so everyone can just touch on the pressing issues that we have here right now. I'm not sure exactly if you can highlight the issue of highlight the issue of the students.
The issue of the education for the students, for the country will be a government responsibility to come and pursue their education here. But at the end of the day, ni ada di high school ke dong fe pareta ibu kana time so ne ko kana chance di la pour yo dum university ko pour crown ni continue sa wo kam be la ko funding art ko embassy so na jango so se kali ma ko lo ke kali ko gambe ko me la ke kana janne kana nine only high school ni na se ko sa ni gambe ni art high school damale high school be gambe ni art karam mo je wo kam o so roja na ko last pass years mo so na jambe na ko karam tale di manna continue no la karam ko pour university ni. Yes, we had few Gambians in university but they are very few. Ismaila Borekono. Okay, before Ismaila, we had Musa, and Ablajai. But Honeybee, Belafin Mekabo, Gambian Port, Momo Findu and Bandapurina, Canada, only high school, you just go back. Because among different Bami with the Gambian Mealongo, Karanta, Gambian, Konojera, Butuh kan be sularing kali ko watu mantra.
Just the high school certificate is not enough.
Yeah. Be dawren kana la wati jamata. War ko min no ni fa be sirri. Adu ngani mi no ni wallahi. Be kontan ba ko re ni fa be sirri. Wo kam. Wo tembo se diamo di bakana. Fana sela kumo.
I have issues jamal na bije ko men ba fo kanyamente na sa safeno ya understand then wo ba izin na bakere pour minister of foreign affairs di balu na janni ambassador mina jare embassy la jam many nyanta kala the priority areas and then nane yin safe na soto hanin na manta nyola be email address o di lalla de ya saki isaje ninga okay ambassador Qatari ambassador be Gambia ni wosa ndezi wokuman no minister wokuman no official and I catch some of these problems isaje wasada preparation of keka lafta ndo wala explain to minister mantare pundu kande pour wole ba because ngaje koroke man abe amari ma reflect no anyanda membe fola but I'll be time talal drum I'll see as a committee aligning this point bullet points ñol beke Allah ko ya ko nin fen ko ñin do mu familiarisation of drum men ko mayata wala mu minister be janni minister be diamla ne ambassador be diamla den minister ena fo membe jam to mando ko jama bal sonno mo ko no ni minister diamla ko ba abe release la ka do breaking news le babu anyanda men fola la
Alhamdulillah baraka joba
we always need the expertise. Another thought just ring a bell to me regarding the coming of Gambians to Qatar. When Gambians come to Qatar, they should come in the right manner. Yeah. It's very sad that our own people use a scheme to bring in people in very unscrupulous ways to benefit themselves instead of looking for the interests of their fellow Gambian. This is something that really, it really is very disturbing. And I cannot get to imagine the conscience, it doesn't represent the Gambian if somebody, wants to make profit out of his fellow Gambian. Qatar is a very organized state. Everything is done. Even if you go to the supermarket, everything is arranged by nationality. Fruits, meat, same as the employment, people coming in. So if people come in, from what we know, normal procedure, when you're in Gambia, you're given an offer of employment to come to work here when you've applied for a job and they take you. Some people are coming and there's no job waiting for them. And it breaks our heart to see somebody with a CV folder going around in the hot sun from door to door looking for employment. Because first of all, it's strange to them. If you're already in Qatar and maybe you want to shift job, you don't leave a job until you have another job, which is normal. Okay. In case you're terminated, they give you your due. Whatever the labor law requires, they give it to you. And you're free to seek another job. They give you sort of like no objection, and then you're free to seek employment. But to go around looking for a job door to door, this is something not normal in the state. The other thing is coming with an actual genuine job, but the wages is horrible. If you work for a whole month and your salary cannot buy you a mobile phone, that is definitely an issue. And sometimes people are being misled with coming here with a huge expectation of a salary that doesn't exist. So when you come, most likely, maybe you didn't budget for it, and then you take loan here and there, and you buy the ticket with the expectation when you come, you work, and then you pay back the loan, then you put yourself in a sinking hole, because your salary would not be sufficient for you to have for the transportation during the month, your expenses, your laundry, your telephone, your telephone card to call home. So these are the things that some of our fellow Ghanaians are facing here, which is not necessary. This can be avoided. So what we decided that we have different communities here, like the Nigerian community. When the Nigerian community got fed up with their own citizens engaging in petty crime and things like that, they form a committee. Whoever is suspected or suspected of doing any criminal activity, they point you out. They said, this guy is one of us, he's bad, take him out. Because one bad apple is not going to spoil the whole bag. So this is the concept. So we were like, you know what, if we see any Gambian doing something against the law, harming other Gambian, we need to point you out. So as time goes on, we will get to this, where we will try to eradicate this practice from happening, because it's very sad for people to come here and suffer. It's not necessary. Musa, do you want to add something?
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Président mu ni ma wax ci olof tamit am na ci ñoo ñëkk def mooy nuyu kilifa bi ci ñoom fii di ko masawu coono tamit ci yoon tukki bi ak dama ñëw bi ak gis nañ li ko réew mi jaral démb rek maa ngi bàyyi xel ci social media ma fàttaliku bi mu demee fàttali la coñ mu lal basan mu am fa dees loolu nag sa réew jaralut not du det may ñaan yàlla may la wér ak kàttan foo yemi nga ñaan Gambie sotti nga ñaani Gambie loo ñaanal Gambia li nga éeneel Gambia fi nga bëgg a Gambia egg foofu noonu ci jàmm ak salaam ak jëm kanam yàlla defal na ko te nga fekke ko ànd ak wér nag loolu ñu ngi koy ñaan ñun tamit fii nii Gambia nag dafa am lu ñu ko seedeel fii nii I mean di Gambian si government dafa am lu mu seede si Gambian si mooy ne amuñ problème buñ dee def crime dañ toppatoo seen liggéey dañ xam seen bopp dañ respect dañ doon mu ne ma seen foreign ministre bi ñëwam Qatar bi ci Qatar ma ne ko ah waaw ma ne ko ma xew ma ne ko dafa am lu ñu doon xaar for over 1 year muñ ko am ba tey la am ñu seetlu waaw kii ñëw de ci réew mi dafa am ko wàcc ci réew mi ma ne ko dafa am ko wàcc ci réew mi am yàlla dafa def moom bàcc ay su ma ko wax kii fa fii ci réew mi tey ci boori jumaa bi mu ne ma ñu ngeen seet ñi ñoo ko dem waaye seen góor gii ñëw fii de yàlla def ci moom bàcc ma ne ko yàlla def ci moom bàcc ci waxam ak ci jëfam ak ci jéego ci jëfam yàlla dina ma soxla mooy dia 26 Qataris yu yaa kidnappé Iraq over 1 year so ñu ngi gis leen tey tamit nekk mbégte bu mag fii ci biir réew mi kooku dama xanaa seen foreign ministre bi ñu ñëw loolu moo tax ma ne ko waaw barke moom moo tax anyway ñu ngi amaat mbégte lool sax ci ñëw fii nii ak kilifa yi àndal ñu jaay ñu mag di wax ne lii bett ñu comme ni ko kii waxee biñ ne Honorable Ousainou Darboe Minister of Foreign Affairs International Cooperation and Gambian support boobu na jaral ko mu bàyyi léppam ñëw toog fii kon ñun tamit ñu ngay ñaanal lépp loo bëgg mu am fii ak Gambia yàlla na yàlla defal
amiin yaa rabbal
soo demee Gambia nga jottali ñu nuyoo His Excellency Adama Barrow nga jottali ñu nuyoo government of the Republic of Gambia nga jottali ñu nuyoo waa Gambia yëpp ne waxal Adama Barrow ne ñu ci gannaawam ñu ngi koy déglu ñu ngi koy topp ci ndigalam lu mu wax rek ñu ngi ci bu dégg ci ñun tamit gannaaw loolu ñu ngi sa gannaaw tamit as Minister of Foreign Affairs and Gambian support loolu ñu wax moom la ñoo def ñu la wax naaj na ñu la wax guddi na ñu la wax kenn ñu la wax tàng ñu la wax seen so kon Gambien si fii nii kon naa suma gars yi wax nañu suma res nañ ko ci niñ nekkee fii nii te wax bu amut te on a ñu war a dem ci suba tamit ñu war a def yeneen man mi toog maa ngi waroon dem mission Dimba ma leen ay lu dem ci conseil te son ministre mu so you have to go man soo fay naa leen fekk ak ay ko lu di conseil te son ministre mu fii nii loolu rafetul te yerewuñu ko ñu naan Gambien ñu war ay loolu mooy que Gambien dafa yéeg ko problème bi Gambien kon tamit ñu waroon wax ci njëlbeen ñëpp sax daanaka président wax na ko secrétaire général of the association bi tamit wax na ko ñun bi ñoo ñëw fii time boobu noonu soo bëggee jox ko waa Gambia da nga dina leeta dem post office post ko mu am 1 month balaa may nga Gambia nga toogal na nga 1 month balaa reply di ñëw waaye léegi alhamdulilah means of communication yëpp a ngi available loolu quoi so li ma bëggoon nag mooy suñu paree léegi nii rek ñu ko chief protocol waxee ñu note these points that we would like for the minister to look into su pare moom dina ci jël ay jéegam su pare ñoom ñu jox leen kàddu gi ndax ñu ngi am ay engagement yu bëri yoo xamante ne ñu ko war a def su ko defee daal xaw ma lan mooy what is coming next what I was just like to suggest that su pare ñu jox ñu email am ñun suñu meeting executive we note all these points from 1 to 10 from 1 to 20 whatever su pare we send it to him then moom dina ko pass the minister then after ministre am na lu moo defee mbir mi incha allah ñu ngi yaakaar ci yéen yu bëri ngeen tamit nag daal na xam ne ñu ngi nii seet na incha allah jërëjëf
Bersama yang mungkin, ada yang lebih malah kita awal tahun, bahkan lebih very mfano ni jalo ni kali ko gambe am ko na ko si ana ko fas ko la ko mo damay sa ko ben betendi gambe am ko la ben man andi bi wala tan kanyindi kali ko ci biya mo la ta na ay daga fu do ni ay na narabal ni tan ko na vice president afana be jang na dum manyal ben na ni afana mo fe
protocol ko ni president diam da vice president on council ni president ay taw di vice president of right ya
wala
protocol ko ay ni solo ni president diam da vice president on council
ale kadre kana ni ni ala ko ale president ay taw di vice president of afana sa
yo assalamualaikum bal konton na bake dabo mun dol dimon ko def ko data konton do bal ni mo fa mo ko fa dere sin do konton bari okay
hani ni ko man so kadu binde ko follow la ko national anthem so officially is that wo isigo ni fundi na bal
banda na ba
is kafa
okay demi diam la panaf la wala mu follow di lolu ke da banku di me alon pour communication au Kenya men ke da na GSM lolu da male banku di me alon na tarif kada call to Gambia abe akole ata ba especially bi ni ka Gambia call ni me akilo di la call ni da dai ba goes to Spain
lamin
dai ba le post goes to Spain
lamin
and internet mo fende di me alon do lel man ke banku di me alon e man na pa so kala India ni 10 real sande la dala stam pour ka call ke India de ake carry 700 hours la India so okay man jamba bare be fero la pour na internet o membe GSM o membe so on yanda ma bare because technology is advanced we are in the 24th century now so mun na bara na bal barada do mun ni mun mo ko men nya ko nyame wala molti menu kanaja do molti menu na da ko ala endema akata nyame wala mo isira so ko no ila yedo ko so no fo ina da mo do do ko la hotel industry the hospitality industry okay mollem sayde me alon ko ye nyaati Gambia ba e mol kanala ndol kam ne ko mol wala mo ko nim mo moro nim minaja e nyanda do ko fo so la jani ka ko because dol ba mo encourage wi man do ko so de ko Gambia na amang da because nga ko le ya ko jamal so yimbe problème mol kono nga problème mol kono is ni waden kono ko mo na ta jam amari ko e kayne ni ne fota je be jola ko me be jola wili kin na kare kin kare ko la nyame be jola wili kin keman kare sa nyame be jola wili fula ngaye par wota possible no la mun yama ni be jolo ke ka mo jo karola sinya ki se chambe janga ka kata bake anda ya ba kata mo be jam me alon bria sama na patata ko sa te ka men so no wala siya aka men so sila la passe so mba kata kan telephone be keri bar na ko le ko men so do mo kana ke ma boy la te ni be fura ni du da ko le ko ba ta no ba ko no kala mba kala na dia wol mu fende de me yem pan e ko nga embassy ni jam is fine anyanda so la wo na fale na ta ya fe ko da ni ka ko price na so da to mando ba do ni ko da jam do ni do nyanda nyom ko man men ke non do na ke ni do balanda da men na man tan na di le to ya fa ko mu fende be su la ni na ba e ko be ke ni pour ni mo si nyom mo no pour bantal ga do ni especially hospitality industry area pour mo li bantal jamu plat da men de alon ko especially in the hospitality. All type of care hotels be the limba kumkan. The light industry member ya adam a limit capacity is very narrow. Now they work for only 2099 to 2004 aka works for 6 months. But 2004 onwards, now it works for only 3 months aka sorry. The only hotels in the Taji is very minimal. It's only Senegal here. Governor Akome member Bandawaya. So jam asiaga nsi mol ta mo le ko femal la bot ndal da mata ke mo la ko ini yem mo le so do jam men ya ni ya ta ibi da fu da wala de ma ko so ko kamala ndol manda dia mo sianga ko me ya ko nyame ndol ba kat la ba ke be femal be sa men be jam asiaga ba sa bala de na dia da le ba ki la
Ninga dia berubah ini ada rufo ijam pada selesai mantan dia mau.
Yo, kalian fala breaking news na, nala breaking news na dulu itu kafir aja di kami pun nggak sudah pun breaking nanti kisah yang lakian. Breaking news na itu tuh saat Cina nih, berdiri ada dulu kan. Banyak yang oke.
Pertama lah, kalau kita dalam foto makanan, well, to be precise, kalau saya nyata sama Andrew dan Sani, kalau saya suka dengan lain, saya suka. Abang boleh jadi. Alkan aku kurang dokuti. Aning kabe alkali si alia kaca alia dada anyata dada lanya. Ni hotel industry code member. Isi walau ni nanti. Menyantakela. Wofana kama sa kunda di mabare. So akara korotoku we have up to maybe another 12 hours. Yeah. You understand? Pour aller nous prepare. Na be mal national. Say mo jube do member national. The hotel mento namra beje. Yeah. Yes. So it's a breaking news man for the phone.
Dalam kata jenah penasaran,
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
Na asikuyi tika tawala ka jamunga. Sio kono ko mamadel kaum.
Orang dia besar kulit kaum dia matras deklan.
Ayo.
Cuma nak besar kulit kaum.
Oh, you can speak in English, right?
Speak in English or Mandingo
Oh, actually, as I said at the beginning, I'm Ibrahim Kamara. I am from Majakunda. I work with Big Tower Logistics, and I am here to represent the Sarabule community in Qatar. I mean, since we heard that Honorable Minister is coming here, and I make a lot of contacts in order for us to be part of this particular meeting. Alhamdulillah, I am here on behalf of those people. What they told me is when I came to the meeting ground, I extend our sincere appreciation to the new government and the work that Uncle Senator did. Everybody knows. When I came here, I extend our appreciation to them. What they told me is regarding ambassador, because it's like regarding ambassador issue. That's me when I came here, I extend that to them, to you people, that we are definitely facing some difficulties. And again, they're asking me when I came here to thank the ambassador who is in Saudi Arabia, because some time ago we sent some of our documents to him, and then he stamped them in a very quick manner. We sent to them within 1 week, we stamped them and sent it to us. So that means we have understand that definitely he's really doing very well for us. Mr. Ambassador Richard, thank you for the job well done that you have done for us. The papers that we sent to you, stamp and send them back to us, it came in a very right time. So it's not here, not in Konadanga, and the Nidangani, Mahambo. Sekarang Kenya ni digambil ngamat kita kita punga kita kono Kenya ni sudah punga dan digambil lakukan lori anak kinyere nak kinyandakai. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Bukan itu mau dari paspor.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Kumaya paling to ngani sanya neti. Amali ko sanya ne. Faling bel ko la ni ko kan now for 4 years. Belum karawa Egypt le. Some years to around 10 years. Belum Egypt high school university. Right now we do ko la ni ko kan jande because amanke ko ndiale. Bari media la ni wala ni ko fonse mako ro sindi non na fal na shokon bawo Gambia bi ka new system wala banko fanan sembo mbe ma lonne Yo war womatin na ko ngambay yal because there's no place like home. Alhamdulillah, this year independent I was there and I witnessed it because the change was made. Coming Mr. Chambi Afanyami, during the impasse, Gambia has decided to go that we went to at one corner at least and make a statement. Me, alhamdulillah, thousands of Gambians were there at UB and they appreciated it. Coming because because oh my we are not in politics. No, because politics Nima interests are completely interested because the world. Bawang bijan the embassy the Kotunja. To nyabe dami embassy that time in the embassy royal I have been there for we are free there. But coming being ambassador for the Minna the among Bundai I think na nyum to nyimba ko Korea ka baki. Yo flanja mo mini alon ko wole kumaya ka baki niya na tel stadium la because ikoni ki baki nya ibuka afaya ko inya na tala tel bari senga ngo ndanya. Because nabro la ngani ko nabro mtela alfa la bama. O kamara last of element la miya alon ko as a Gambian because itenga dire ko nimte taban karanda nemman do ko Gambia banko ka nyata do ko kala la mi yaro ka safindu di Gambia banko and min so so na ni o mun defana na do ti pour ngafa wo kamara lafta le momin bina embassy do ko asa kalam ta ko adokol a bari ndimol a binkinol a dingol a ko dingol a do ko dingol wolle bi tan nin sulata ni ngal da ko an suto a nyata bunda la aya lombi mun na problème o amay nyanya kala mo mi ngalo ko abukala fikiyeje but na yegere akamira no problème wala bi no ndol Gambia mo wala nga adama di yalla Mr. Njoba biya ko ko nga to men be na ka tama mo out of topic ni mamoto ya ko sudan mo bake do mam malo aman lo personal do dalta to mo ila bake yo andum mi yo sabu adama di yalla because ni mo ko ken do ke ni ka ka ni mo le puja ko fanan ki ikaka so wala na adama no nyanti hakka de tora ndol ma loko so no embassy kono la molta to ngi le midi yalon kay kan na cool block because na embassy na registration bari ya sunta molde ikan na file le dai bata andum tolu ka nga fofe ke jam ka reta ro kile Gambia para bu office of the president and foreign affairs so ni aja ko fata momin be sirin dol ni Gambia ibe banku mi an kana pour ke le ma ko pour ye free ni banko kam wo ke te la Cairo block andum ikela gemol plela ngalo na be mo jamal jala dul binar they will show you ko ni banko la no barande mo fa ne be kacala al sala haklo tu baki al sala haklo tu baki